The Coosa Mill is a 350,000 square foot building that's located right in the center of Milltown. This one is built as solid as a rock. It's cast in place concrete. You couldn't tear this building down. And so then the question is, what do you do with an abandoned mill in the middle of a neighborhood? Well, our answer to that was we build a massive neighborhood around this 350,000 square foot building, and now we can program this building, and by program I mean we can choose what goes into this building over the long haul, and we can put in this building all of the things that make a neighborhood great.
Amazing urban lofts aren't built from scratch, they're rehabilitated.